Hello, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how we can make such type of an object where we call it RHS or rectangular hollow steel. So to do this, let's start with CATIA V5. CATIA V5. RHS. This is rectangular hollow steel. Okay, let's select any plane here and to start up, simply we can draw a line which seems like this and we will constrain it. The dimension may be it's an example, so we can do as we want. So let's start here, select a profile and click here. It should vertical, again horizontal, and go downward here. Nice. Click on the profile, exit. Now let's create a plane. Click on the plane. When we click on this plane, this dialog box keeps the plane type is normal to curve. The curve is sketch 1, mean this one, and the point should be either this one or this one. So we can select either of the two. This one, let's say this one. Now the plane is created here. Okay, click OK. Now select this plane and sketch. If the profile that you create is not visible in the workbench, simply click on here where you call it fit all in. Click on it and it appears to the center of the window. Now let's draw such type of object, that is RHS. Okay, click rectangle here and draw this. Again the other one here. Nice. Now let's constrain it. This one, it may be 40, and this also 40. This is an example. 40, and the thickness maybe 2, so this should be 34. If the thickness is 2, here is 2, and this to this is 2, so this starting from this to this is 34, so this should be 34. Okay, but it goes up. This one, no, this should be 36. If the thickness is 2, this should be 36. Nice. Now this profile should be at the center of the origin, so click. Starting from this to this is how much? That means 40 divided by 2 is 20. Yeah, it's at the center, but upward it is not at the center. This should be 20. Okay, good. Let's do for this again. This one from this to this is, that means 36 divided by 2 is 18. 1/8. Enter. And from this to this is 1/8 also. 1/8. Syntax errors. This means you write here, not here. You have to write here. So this should be deleted. Okay. Right here. 1/8. Nice. Now we have finished it. This means if all the lines are green, your dimension is exact. It means click on it. Now this profile should be glow and go to rip. This one, when you click this, there is a rip definition here. So center curve, it needs center curve. That means the line that we draw at the first. Click on it, and it creates the RHS. Nice. This is an RHS. Interesting. Yeah, that's one. Okay, nice. Thank you very much. I am Asmamaw Assefa. Please subscribe my channel below and click on the sign of the bell. You will get successive videos if you need it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.